Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Enduro and Adventure Media. A quick little video now on what we're doing at the moment here in the workshop at Eurotech. I'm just about to PDi a brand new GasGas EC 250 TPI to show you what we're doing. So this is a brand new GasGas EC 250 TPI bike, just about to be PDi. This is how it's come from the factory. I've got a few things to do with it before it's sort of race ready. It's still got the catalytic type exhaust on it and the emission control system as well, which I'm going to be taking off on this bike for mapping when it's ready to go to the customer. But just basically what's in the PDi box, we've got this is the brown box what comes with the bike, and also we've got an exhaust, some mirrors, an air filter cage to replace the cage what's in the air box at the moment. That's like a restrictor box what's in. A couple of fork stickers. We'll generally put our own Eurotech fork stickers on the bikes. Some screws to change the exhaust fit in there, and a couple of plugs which for blanking off some of the emission control system. A front sprocket. The bike normally comes with a 14 front sprocket, so we change that to a 13. A couple of reflectors, a couple of spare brackets for the mirrors, foot pegs, frame guards, bar pad, and a bit of a tool kit. And there's also some indicators in another box in the back there, and a tail tidy which also comes with the bike. So if you are getting a brand new GasGas, you can ask for those sort of additional items, those indicators and the tail tidy if you want them. A lot of customers don't bother because they're generally going to be racing the bikes. But that's basically what we get in the PDi kit. So I hope you found that informative. Stay tuned. Hard Enduro and Adventure Media at Eurotech. See you soon.